An NC's parrot is going at a uniform speed of 6 km per hour through a place under a berry tree on which bird is sitting at a height of 12.1 meter. So this is the tree. So NC's parrot is going at a uniform speed of 6 km per hour. So this parrot is going on at a speed of 6 km per hour. NC's parrot is going at a speed of 6 km per hour through a place under a berry tree on which bird is sitting at a height of 12.1 meter. At a particular instant, bird drops a berry, which cadet from the tree will receive the berry at his uniform. Which cadet receives the berry? So height is given, height equals to 12.1 meter. As height equals to 12.1 meter and height is 12.1 meter. So formula is S equals to UT plus half AT square. This is the formula. So S equals to reference line से नीचे, so this would be minus 12.1. Initial speed equals to how much? 0 into t plus half. Acceleration equals to a equals to minus 10. A equals to minus 10 into what? Into t square. So after solving this, so 24.2 equals to 10 into t square. 24.2 equals to 10 into t square. So 2.42 equals to how much? Equals to t square. 2.42 equals to t square. T equals to how much? Root over of 2.42. T equals to how much? T equals to root over of 2.42. So time at which it will strike the ground, time equals to how much? Time equals to t equals to root over of 2.42. So distance covered equals to how much? Distance covered equals to S equals to U into T. Distance covered equals to how much? Distance covered equals to U into T. U is there. U is what? U is 6 km per hour. 6 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So that equals to 5 by 3 meter per second. That is the speed. Speed equals to 5 by 3 meter per second. 5 by 3 meter per second. T equals to root over of 2.42. So S equals to how much? S equals to 5 by 3 into root over of 2.42. This much meter. So that distance covered equals to how much? Distance covered equals to 5 by 3 into root over of 2.42 meter. That is the distance covered in this case.